We're looking for a place to swim, but everywhere is busy. What to do? Right here is beautiful. Look at the roots of this tree. Oh, and it feels really cool. Oh, how beautiful is this? That's so crazy. Look at all those roots. That's so beautiful. They like go out over here onto the pathway too. That's so crazy. I love it. I love it. I love it. And I see some mushrooms too. That one looks dangerous.
What I gotta do is find somewhere with a rope hanging off.
Okay, I don't know what these are, but they look really cool. They're like really kind of hard. We're on our way to the water. Eddie had to go to the bathroom, so I saw flowers and ran away from the car. And the water down here is running so fast. Okay, he found me. But the kudzu is all grown up again. I'm gonna go look at the water. Sometimes there's turtles over here. I know. Does that mean we can't swim?
No, the water's going down all the way down. There's 3 down.
I have to hurry because I left my door unlocked.
Yeah. This is where I go fishing when I'm not with you.
Look how beautiful! Oh my gosh!
Here, come on.
Eddie, we have to hurry.
Remember last time?
We've never seen it go
Me
in
and
before.
Everett stand on there and fish, you remember?
Yeah, but it's so full now. It's so pretty! Look, that's
trees underwater.
crazy!
Hell yeah.
This is so pretty.
Let's climb up there and get a picture.
I can't climb up there.
It's gonna be so shaky. I can't.
Oh, it's deeper.
Yeah, it gets really deep right there.
It does? Okay. Is there a drop off anywhere near me?
Right to your right.
To my right?
Where that drops on.
That's a drop off?
It's pretty deep right there.
Okay, I won't go over there.
I feel like it's up to my balls.
It's so pretty out here. We're finally swimming. It's so cold though. But Eddie went all the way in and now he's not cold anymore. But I'm still cold. I'm not going all the way in yet. Did you just shake off? You sound like a dog. Sun is right above us. So it's burning my head. I just wanted to video the water because I haven't been able to do this since we were living on the land, and it's actually time to swim, which is so weird. What are you scaring away? Oh, you're just having fun? Okay, I'm gonna go put my camera up now so that I can enjoy swimming. But it's so pretty out here. And the water feels really cold, but it feels really hot. I'm scared I'm gonna drop my camera in the water. Whew.
Andrea, do it for the vine. Yeah, I did it. Go ahead.
It's so cold. It's gonna do that thing. I can't.
All you do is jump straight down in.
No.
Yeah, you just dunk under real quick.
No.
I did it.
No.
And if I did it, you can do it.
That was good.
Alright guys, that was our best effort.